Meghan Leigh, and I just wanted to continue my testimonial with CyberTex here in Killeen. I kind of gave a review on how well they helped with my journey through all of the trials that I was facing while going to school. I was facing a divorce, found out I was pregnant, car troubles, I was missing school, and they continued to work with me to make sure I didn't fall behind, and it's all in my review I posted. But I also just wanted to add that even after graduation, they don't stop caring about you. Every time I come in here to take my tests, they're always just as excited to see me as they were when I was in school. And Miss Ludi is always just checking in and continuing to make sure we see job postings and everything, and always asking us how the job search is going. So they don't stop doing their job just because you graduate. They care about their students just as much as they did when we were in school. And bringing her in here, they're just excited to see how she's doing because she graduated with me, and they made sure to make sure she was included. Like when I graduated, when I walked across the stage, they let me bring her with me, and I got her little cap and gown, and they even gave her her own little scroll with the medical assistant oath and everything on it, because she went through school just as much as I did, and they made sure to just make sure that I wasn't left behind or fell behind, or they made sure I succeeded just as much as the